jobs, it is because of the very same person that you sleep on the bed with. The reason why your boyfriend broke up with you is somewhere associated with your bestie. She's my bestie, but because God is saying that this person is smiling. Judas does not kiss you for nothing. Judas kisses you to sell you. Judas kisses you to betray you. But you have to discern, you have to discern. I'm going to give you some wisdom. Not everybody that is in your life requires a right hand of Shechem. Not everybody that is in your life requires to give you water, requires to save you sons. One day my wife said to me, when you go for a funeral, don't get there and eat food handed to you by anybody who is an usher. There has to be specific people that hand food over to you because you are now an important man in the atmosphere. Some of you will drink water from anyone. You drink the juice from anyone, anywhere. Any plate of food that is offered to you, you eat it. But I want to let you know, my brothers and sisters, not every chicken is really a chicken. Not every beggar is really a beggar. One beggar is starting to make you a beggar. Look at the neighbor, descend who you give your money to. Because some people are into money rituals. They pretend to beg, but they want to use your strength. They want to use your power. After they collect your money, they are off to a witch doctor in order so that whenever you're working, whatever you're working is not coming their way. Not every beggar is a beggar. One beggar is coming to transfer his begging to you so that you yourself become a beggar. Am I preaching to you?
Oh yes.
Look at the neighbor, ask your neighbor, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? But you have to discern also the people that God is bringing to lift you up. Judas is coming to take you down. But Pharaoh, Joseph, is not coming to take you down. When you hear a phone call from Pharaoh, don't always be afraid and run away. Sometimes Pharaoh has been brought by God in your life to lift you up. I find that many people who are going to bring a promotion are not even in church. Many people who are going to bless your life are not even tongue talkers. Many of your helpers don't even know the door of the church. They brought a centurion to Jesus. They said, this thing is worthy that to perform this miracle for you because he built us a synagogue. This was not a Jew. This was not an Israelite. This was a Roman slave driver. Some of you reject sinners and you say, I don't talk to them. But what you don't know is that right inside the car of a sinner is a form that if he was to give it to you, you will be promoted. But your problem is that you have no wisdom of discernment. Ask your neighbor, who is your father?
Who is your father?
I'm praying for you even as I'm standing here.
Amen.
And I'm